Hey guys, we are here at New King Aquarium shop. I had come here to take some equipment over for my aquarium. Let's check. Let's go inside the store. Let's see what all fishes they have. Watch till the end.
We will give you complete experience about the shop and all the setup.
Believe me, the setups over in this shop is just amazing. Just watch the complete setup, watch the complete video till the end. And this is the board. This store is near the Elanka highway, where you go to the airport. So let's go inside the store and let's see what all fishes they have, what all setups they have. Come on. Okay, guys, we are heading inside the store. Okay, you can see here imported tanks tanks over here, and there's a big 8 feet aquarium, some amazing big fishes over there. And here is the setup, the aquascape setup. There's different setups over here. As you can see, this is completely live setup, live plants. You can see here the fishes, stones. This is pretty amazing here. The main part before heading inside is the safety purpose, where we need to sanitize our fur. Sanitize our fur. Okay. Here you can see the Oscars as well, albino and tiger Oscars. Okay. Sanitized. Come, let's check inside the store what all they have. Here's a complete imported setup tanks. Before starting this video, we'll show you some quick tour of this small store. Just see the quick tour video, and just I'll explain the rest of the things over here. is at entrance you'll find different types of filter, that is a hang-on filter, internal filter, and here you can find some biomedia kit. This is a biomedia kit for your tank, for your filters, and this is a air pump where they have a master test kit as well for your fishes, and CO2 accessories. Okay, we'll move on inside what all fishes they have. Let me check. Okay, here they have some guppies over here, and some planted aquarium species for your planted tank. Here they have koi fish, and this, look at this guys, this is an amazing aquarium. This is an amazing one which you can place inside your home. Okay guys, they have a huge size of Oscar fishes as well. Oscar, I forgot the name of that fish. It is a green terror. Okay, green terror, Oscar fish, some loach, catfishes. Okay, and here there are parrot fishes as well. Tiger Oscars. Come, let's move inside. Here are some decoration accessories as well. That is a decoration accessories where you can fit, that can fit inside your aquarium tank. Here few amazing molded tanks, imported tanks for your home. Okay guys, they have huge varieties of food as well. You can see different types of brand of food and different types of varieties for different types of fishes. And here at the right side they have a net for your different size of fishes. And here they have mostly they have for aquascape tanks the accessories like micro and macro and turtle food and different types of many different varieties of food. Okay, here we can see the medicines also for the fishes, like Floweron, they have medicine for worm out, and they have medicine for turtle, also turtle eye drops. This is vacation pack weekend food where you can use it once you go out for vacation, and you can just drop few tablets inside your aquarium tank. Here they have some different types of stones for as per your requirement, which type of stones you prefer. Here they have some marble, amazing marble stones, and here some amazing
Can you please show it properly so that
Yes, some
everyone
amazing
can
crystals here. Amazing crystals they have here. Just can zoom in. They even have this bloodworm, bro. Bloodworms. You can see the bloodworms here.
Yeah. Okay, what does it do?
This is a food actually that provides high level of protein for the fishes.
Okay.
And this is medicine what fishes get sick. You can just put this medicine like paracetamol.
Okay.
And this is a stress heal. Once you want to take your fish somewhere out, you want to shift, or you want to take your fishes out for cleaning, that time you can just drop few drops of this.
Okay.
Here you can see different varieties of live plants where you can select any pot at some affordable price. The fishes are very healthy over here with quarantine. You can see the quality of the fishes over here.
You know,
here they have some Oscars, tiger Oscars, koi, goldfishes, here it is dolphin chiclet. This is goldfish.
this one is goldfish and
This is dolphin chiclet.
okay.
That is sea angel. This is koi fish. Oh, you can show the down one.
Oh.
This is sucker cat, what you'll call as sucker cat. You can find it. This is a common one. You can find it in every aquarium
shops.
shops, and even people prefer more for cleaning.
Okay.
So here you can see the stones. There's amazing stones over here. See, this is the chiclets. This is albino sucker.
Which one?
Albino sucker.
This one?
Yeah. And that is an apple snail. Hope you guys know.
Which one? Okay, okay, that one.
Okay, here they have variety of different flowerons.
Okay, there you go.
And here some angels.
Wow. Oh, what is this fish called?
Another angel. They have some different varieties also in angels.
Okay.
That is common. Okay, here you can see the flowerons, which they have got a head also over here. Beautiful pieces.
Yeah.
A huge, beautiful collection over here.
Any reason? Any particular reason that they have kept separately?
Yeah, because these fishes are like exotic, and we can't keep it in this community because they will fight.
Okay.
Here also there's exotic fishes with like somewhere parrotfish, and this is a piranha. It's not completely a piranha, but it comes into the same family, like claw.
Okay. And these are?
These are chicklets.
Okay.
This you can see a zebra fishes over here. A feeding zebra you can use it for as a feeding also
Okay.
for different fishes. And this is a shark, albino shark, what they call.
Okay.
This is Orenda gold, right? This is Orenda gold over here.
Oh.
And here some more koi fishes and some beautiful chicklets over here. And this line you can see beautiful fighter fishes.
I know only one kind of fish, and that is fighter.
Okay. You can see this pattern is more beautiful. And here some arwana fish foods. And this is the amazing tank what they have set up over here. You can show them. This is amazing tank. You can see this.
Yeah, this one, right?
Chicklets, amazing setup. They have displayed over here.
Which one?
This one. This is a discus.
Okay.
This is mostly preferred into live water. There are some accessories where you can add on into your aquarium to enhance the beauty of your aquarium, where they have some stones, some beautiful decoration pieces over here. Guys, if you're planning for aquascape tank, they have the tissue culture of ADA brand, Aqua Design MNO. Many different types of plants they have in tissue culture. This is a highly recommended stores where you can visit to get a healthy fishes for your aquarium and the healthy plants for your aquarium.
Okay.
Hey guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video.
मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया ये देखकर. मुझे तो इसका कोई कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं था कि कैसा होता है ये सब चीज़ें. मैं तो एकदम नया हूँ इस चीज़ के लिए. बिलाल थे हमारे पार्टनर जो बहुत एक्सपर्ट हैं इस सब फील्ड में, और ये बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्लेन भी किए हैं मुझे, जैसे आप देख चुके हैं. मुझे बहुत चीज़ें सीखने को मिली इधर पे, और आई होप आप लोगों को भी बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें देखने को मिली होंगी. और ये देखिए ये दुकान आप ज़रूर इसको एक बार विज़िट करना ही चाहिए. अगर आपको
अगर आपको कौन सी फिश इधर की सबसे अच्छी लगी हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना. और टैंक कौन सा अच्छा लगा कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताना.
और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड
हिट अ लाइक बटन एंड शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स.
कीप सपोर्टिंग.
थैंक यू.